So guys, here you can see one more solving video has been came on the LeetCode Cam channel, and in today's video our weekly contest 3 is easily as ended. In the weekly contest 3 there are 3 questions I think so which we have successfully completed. So we are coming on our weekly contest 4, and the first question in the weekly contest 4 and our 396 question in which I am telling about the rotate function, and this is a medium one question which I am solving in today's video, and the question number is 396, which 396, okay, which we are solving in today's video. So please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you know about these type of videos on this channel. So let me to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So let's start to solve our 396 question by the name of rotate function, and this is a medium one question which we are solving in today's video. So let's solve it. First of all, we drag and drop our question into our Word file, because I will be understood this question carefully as, and you will also be understood this question carefully. Then you will be solve the question very easily as, okay. So let's copy it and let's drag and drop into the Word, okay. And when I drag and drop it, so I am giving it into the font, then it will be show clearly, and let me pick the here. So it say you are given an integer array nums of a length n. Okay, integer array of nums of length n. So let's see in the code, it has been giving me integer array nums of length n. Yeah, it has been giving me the nums. Here you can see it, nums array with the length n. Okay, of the length n. I see that it give me the one nums integer array. So assume ARR to array to be an array obtained by rotating nums by k position clockwise. We define the rotation function. But here highlight this because it's if we define the rotation function f on nums as follow, and this one rules like f rounded bracket k equals to 0 multiply by ARR, okay, plus plus plus. So see this, because this is a f on nums as follows. So please read this very carefully, as that it's written the maximum value of f0, f1 and fn minus 1. So return the maximum value of, return highlighted, it's saying return the maximum value of f rounded bracket 0 comma f rounded bracket 1 comma dot 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 comma f rounded bracket n minus 1. The test cases are generated so that the answer fits in a 32-bit integer. In that 32-bit integer, highlighted the 32 because it will help you to solve the question. Input nums. Here one example one which it has been given me, like he create a one integer of the nums, and in which he write integer array by the name of nums, in which he write 4 3 2 6, but it is giving me output 26. Why? Here's one explanation. F rounded by 0 equals to 0 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6 equal to 0. 3 plus 4 8 18 25 then 16. So see this explanation carefully. Yes, I'm also seeing it. Okay, okay, okay. 0 multiplied by 6 plus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 0 plus 4 plus 6, then 0, then if we plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 23, then 2 plus 12 plus 12 26, and okay, so the maximum value of f0 f1 f2 f3 is f3 equals to 26. Okay, that's why the output has been coming 26. Please read this explanation carefully, as okay, I have read it. Okay, you can pause the video and see this explanation because it will be help you to solving the question. Now example number 2, it has been giving me nums 100 and there is 1 0 output. Example 2, and these are the constraints which we have used. So I understand the question. Let's read the question one more time. We are given an integer array nums of a length n. Assume ARR to be an array obtained by rotating nums by k position clockwise. We define the rotation function f on nums as follows. Okay, like this. Okay, I understand. So let's start to write it. First of all, you write n. because it's a integer array nums of a length n, so that's why I'm writing n equals to num. So in this line we are finding in the n length. In this n variable we are finding the length of our nums. Why? Because it's you are given an integer array nums of the length n. So here you can see we are doing this. So right here f because f means fo, f1, f2, f3. Okay, so f equals to sum in which you write I multiply by nums, in which nums one more time integer array nums we wrote it down, then I, then for loop, then I in range n. So here we define our in the third line we define n variable, and here I am also defining in the range we are writing n variable. Enter press in which you write total sum. So when you wrote it down the total sum, you give the space here, then equals to sum in which you write nums. And nums we are writing because this is our integer array nums, so that's why we are writing it here. Then enter press one more time in which you write, then you give one more enter here. Write here max f equals to f. Capital F you will be wrote it down it, okay, not small f, because we are writing f0, f1, f2, f3, so that's why you wrote down the capital F. Then enter press one more time. Use the for loop in which you write for k in range, then 1 comma n. Okay, 1 comma n because it's one as follows. See this one more time, this which I have highlighted in the blue color. Please see this, okay, because this is very important for us. F k equals to 0 multiplied by arr square bracket 0. Okay, now let's try to write the code. Enter press, give the space here, because if you do not give the space, so I must be to give you the indentation error. Okay, right here f capital F equals to capital F, then plus arithmetic operator we are here we are using total sum. We write here our total sum, which we have already make it in our fifth line. We have made it our total sum variable, and here I am using it. Minus n multiplied by nums square bracket n minus k. So please see this one more time, which I have highlighted in the blue color, because these are the same. So let's see it. Okay, so now I think our code is perfect. Okay, enter press if our code is not perfect, so it must be give the error, or I think it has been perfect. We write perfect code. Max f, and f will be in capital. Max one more time in which you write rounded brackets max and f comma capital F one more time. So we are writing our last code in which we write our return max f. In the last line of code we always write this. Okay, so let's understand the code one more time. Let's recheck our code. Okay, let's say assume arr to be an array obtained by rotating nums by k. Okay, we do this. So I think our code is perfect, so let's run it and let's see. If it is not perfect, so it must be give me the error if it is not perfect. Okay, so I think but I am guaranteed it should be perfect, so let's run it and let's see it. So let's see the test result. So our test result is okay, it is giving me the error. Okay, in this line it is giving me the error. What is the error in this line? Okay, remove this comment, unnecessary comment we have uploaded down it, so that's why I think so it is giving me the error, because we wrote our unnecessary comment. Okay, but it is giving me the error one more time. Unexpected indent. Okay, sorry, I did not give the space here. Indentation error has been given me, so give the space here also. It is giving me the indentation error. By the mistake I wrote it down n variable here, but you will give the space here, because if you do not give the space, it will must be give you the indentation error. Space our code is perfect, but it is giving me the indentation error. Now you will be running it, so I must I hope it not give you the error. Okay, it is giving the error in the line 9. Okay, We do not write semicolon, so let's run it. So now I think it is perfect. Here you can see our both cases are accepted. Our case 1, case 2 are accepted. Okay, in the case 1 the output will become 26 and my also output has been coming 26. In the case 2 the output will become 0 and my also output has been coming 0. So let's submit this code and let's see our question and our runtime. So our runtime is 175 milliseconds and we come on the top of the page. Here you can see it. Our name is coming in the top. Here you can see it. Our name is coming in the top of the page. Here you can see it. In the 174 milliseconds we solved this question very successfully. Yes. Okay, and how many people? Okay, 2,17,000 people submitted this and only 94,000 people accepted this, and acceptance rate is 43.5%. okay, it is very low, but we solve it very easily. Yes, and we solve it in the 396 question. We have solved it about the rotate function in the weekly contest 4, and this is our first question in our weekly contest 4. So get ready for our second question in the weekly contest 4. So let's come to my profile. My profile name is Rayyan Big, like you always know. Then when you come onto my profile, I solve it in 90 successfully. Yes, so I'm going to the 100 to solve it, and go and view my profile. My views has becoming 3 in my profile. So go and see my profile. My profile global ranking is 2,24,614. So go and see my profile. Okay. So now let me meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class in which we solve one more time, one more thing we solve it. Okay, so get ready for it. But anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos on this channel of the LeetCode Camp solving video channel. So now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.